In the world of automotive customization, there are innovators, artists, and engineers who transform ordinary cars into extraordinary machines. Today, we'll take a closer look at some of the most renowned car modification companies, each with its unique style and expertise. Our journey begins with Brabus, the German powerhouse renowned for pushing Mercedes-Benz vehicles to their limits. With a focus on high-performance tuning, Brabus takes already impressive cars and turns them into engineering marvels. Brabus combines power and luxury, offering performance upgrades that unleash the full potential of your Mercedes, and they do it with uncompromising attention to detail. The entire package is $1.2 million, or you can have the tuned Mercedes for around $550,000. Next, we have Alpeenuh, the masters of BMW customization. Alpena's touch takes BMWs to a whole new level of refinement and performance. With a deep respect for the BMW heritage, Alpena offers performance enhancements combined with bespoke interior craftsmanship, creating cars that are unique and powerful. The least expensive 2022 BMW Alpena B8 Grand Coupe is about $140,000. Now let's shift our focus to Hennessey Performance Engineering. When it comes to American muscle cars, Hennessy is a household name. Hennessy doesn't just offer performance upgrades, they redefine what's possible. The Venom F5, their crowning achievement, is a testament to their relentless pursuit of speed and power. The Hennessy Venom F5 price starts at $2.1 million. Our journey takes a lavish turn with Mansoree, the Swiss artisans of automotive luxury. Mansoree redefines opulence by customizing the most prestigious brands. Mansoree specializes in creating vehicles that are bold and extravagant, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in luxury car customization. Full Mansoree project cars usually cost anywhere from $500,000 all the way up. TechArt, the masters of Porsche customization, are known for their passion for perfection. They transform Porsches into works of art. TechArt offers a harmonious blend of performance and aesthetics. Their modifications not only enhance power, but also elevate the beauty of Porsche cars. A fully customized GT Street R can cost around $450,000 to $500,000 once it's done. But the world of automotive modification doesn't stop here. Heyman, Gambala, and G-Power are also influential players in this arena. These companies, each with their own unique style and specialties, have made significant contributions to the automotive industry. Majority of people don't know them because they are not as famous as the one we mentioned in the video. But boy, if they are not as powerful as these companies, if not more. Let us know if you want another video that talks about these crazy companies that modifies German beasts secretly and efficiently. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content on Speed Zone TV.